Chatru Samhara Homam. Everybody likes Chatru Samhara Homam. That's what I have seen in my practice. If I tell them, okay, let's do Chatru Samhara Homam, let's do Chatru Samhara Puja, everybody feels gaga about it. Now, I was wondering why. There are so many cases apart from clearing the enemies and debts problem and black magic problem. I have used Chatru Samhara Homam and the puja to help the people. For instance, I would tell a recent happening. A lady came to me, I know her through a TV program. She had problems in her work and it was very difficult for her to talk back or talk what she is doing with her colleagues and her higher ups. She used to get the panic attack. Then I said, no, don't worry. There is a energy lacuna of what your job wants and also what you are. I started doing Chatru Samhara Puja. It was wonder. She came and told me after 6 months, it's all because of you what I am today. Even my son jokingly say, why don't you take up a job in their company? So what has happened is slowly her energy built up happened and she could perform. She could see what all the programs she can do. Her performance became double, triple, and the higher ups used to call her and say, okay, shall we do this? Shall we do that? What is your opinion? And in between she took Chatru Samhara Homam also to strengthen her work, any new work, any new development. She'll call me and say, hey, do Chatru Samhara Homam, I'm going to do something very important in my work so that I should succeed. So if your work is having a difficulty, like you're getting panic attack because you're not able to handle your bosses and colleagues, then it's the time for you to do Chatru Samhara Homam and Chatru Samhara Puja. It depends. If you have some important presentation, then you require, when the time gap is not there, you require Chatru Samhara Homam. Now another thing where I prescribe Chatru Samhara Homam. This man is from Nigeria. He said, ma'am, I'm having an important meetings of all the colleagues, like they have multiple divisions. So all the divisional heads are going to have a meeting with the bosses. That happens once in a year. So I have to do the presentation. Even though I have performed well, I'm not able to present myself so well that the boss sees that, hey, you have done a good job. So I said, don't worry, let me do Chatru Samhara Homam. So your speech block, your presentation block, whatever it is, just gets cleared. And we didn't have time, like we didn't have 30 days or 45 days. He said, I'm going to have it in another 10 days. I said, let's do Chatru Samhara Homam. We started doing Chatru Samhara Homam. We finished almost 4 homams before the meeting was there. He had a stellar presentation. For the first time, the boss said, you have done a good job. And he said, you do whatever you want. I will help. I will give you off. Like, you say I'm going to do a new project and this is what is my budgetary thing, it would be sanctioned. And he really made a mark in the corona time. Like their company's entire production was stopped and he restarted the Chatru Samhara Puja. He did magic. None of the other divisional heads could perform. Like they had different divisions apart from whatever division he was working. There, the Chatru Samhara Puja had a very, very important So if your work has to go through lot of difficulties, obstacles, then Chatru Samara Homam or Puja is very, very important. Now, people climb up in their career. As they go close to the boss, you are going to have enemies. As well, there will be people who will put lot of wrong things about you with the boss. Then you require Chatru Samhara Homam. For one thing, when these blogs and when these other people's thoughts and ideas about you gets weeded off, the Akashnam and Vasya Mohana will increase. So we did it for a person who was about to have an interview for a CFO post. So he said, my boss is another national. So I have to really convince him to get the package, whatever I want for. He got it. So Chatru Samhara Homam is not only for putting the enemies. It is also will help you to give you the strength to perform in your work. Not only that, now you have a family meeting. This happened recently. After Corona, a lot of people had died in that family and they had a huge property. Now, two sets of people are going to talk about the division of the property, who is going to get the Bhaga Pirivinai, who is going to get what. They said, I don't know, I'm scared. I need to speak it properly so that nobody gets hurt or it should come to a conclusion. I said, okay, let's do Chatru Samhara Homam. So you will be able to understand what they want, how you should talk, how you should tackle. So Chatru Samharam had helped there also. So people think Chatru Samharam is only for one. No. Ritual can be used accordingly, but especially in Adesh, we use ritual accordingly and we tune it so that it gets cleared of many of the problems. Now this can be used for marriage process also. For instance, there can be marriage Shatru and for instance health Shatru. We do not know. Some people don't recover. It may not be the real disease, but there can be something within the karmic things with people who are triggering triggering the disease for others. So Chatru Samhara Homam can be used all that. Might be I'll be speaking about that very clearly in the next video. If you like this video, please share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.